What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're back with the Focus ST225. Stop filming me. Put me off now. Today we're going to be fitting a new Today we're going to be fitting a 3-inch downpipe. As you saw previously on this car, we fit the full Malian 3-inch exhaust. Was it catback? And that was amazing. It all fit perfectly, sounds amazing. So the last bit of the puzzle was to get the actual downpipe from the turbo that joins to the rest of the exhaust. So yeah, I'll show you it now. Alright, so here it is. It's a beautiful bit of kit. It's got the O2 bung there. This is the turbo side, and this is obviously where the cap will bolt up to. The welds on this are beautiful. Lovely stainless steel, nice little stamp on here. Got the flexi pipe, obviously you need that. It's a little bracket here, and yeah, it's lovely. The finish, they even smooth it all off inside to allow better airflow. It's got all the mounts. The other exhaust fitted up perfect, so I imagine this is going to as well. This one is going to be a bit tricky because where this pipe is located on this car is a bit of a pain. But we're going to get it done, hopefully, fingers crossed. We've got WD-40 to fit on the old bolts. Hopefully, goes well. These are by far the best value on the market. You just can't beat the price of one of these. There's no point buying the other brands because they're exactly the same. The quality on this is amazing, welds are amazing, and it's just all beautiful. I mean, look at it. For the price, you can't beat it. I'll put a link in the description to where you can buy this. But yeah, let's install this. We're gonna let the car cool down for a bit because even though it's been cooling down for like half an hour, it's still red hot. Right, so it's all jacked up now. Here's the exhaust we installed last time. Beautiful. So yeah, look at that bad boy. I'll put the video that we installed on this up here in the corner somewhere. That comes with all the hardware and everything, all fit up perfectly. There's no leaks, all perfect. Perfect! Look at it. Beautiful. Sounds rowdy. Oh, Matt's under there already.
Let's see how far up we're gonna go. Get to the fucking bolt.
So yeah. Some of the bolts are down there somewhere, so it should be fun. Might have to take this charge pipe off. We shall see. Right, so here is the pipe in question. I need to get up there somehow. It looks a lot closer on camera, but it's actually, that's probably like the length of my arm all the way down there. Need to get that heat shield off, and then there's 3 bolts holding it on. Oh god. Just getting this heat shield off the turbo was a pain. It's right down there. It's held in by 4 bolts, 2 of them which are sprung, if it ever focuses. Yeah, that wasn't fun. That's the first little job.
Yeah,
half an hour later.
Mission? What the hell? Right,
now to the difficult bit.
Yeah, right. Well, hopefully not. Hopefully that was the difficult bit.
Yeah.
Imagine.
Right, Sora chilling over there, SC300. And we've got the missile there. Decent. Now, need to somehow get down there where you can't see. Alright, you can see it a bit clearer now. There's just them 3 bolts there. There's the O2 sensor, just unplug that. We'll pull that out with a pipe and change it out of the car. Yeah, there's the little Turbski, tiny little thing. Let's hope this comes out alright. The bolts don't look rusty, so should be alright. Let's give it a crack. That one might be tricky. Might have to get a spanner on that. But yeah, let's give it a go. Alright, so we've finally cracked these loose. It's taken us, not even joking, probably an hour and a half. That top one up there is so difficult to get to. It's actually dark out now. I don't know if you can see, well, it's quite light on the camera, but it's quite dark out. But yeah, that's the harder bit done. We just need to get the O2 sensor out. That could be fun as well. But yes, really nice. So now we've just disconnected the cap pipe. Now we just need to take it out of these rubber bushings and then see if it comes out. This would be the interesting part, because I don't want to have to take that brace bar off because it's currently jacked by it. Yes, wish me luck. Right, so we got them out. Sorry for the bad light, it's kind of dark out at the moment. So there's the factory one. So I think they're 2.5 or 2.25, something like that. Correct me if I'm wrong. But yeah, it's definitely an increase, say that properly. It's just basically, to the sound it won't make a massive difference. It might be a little bit deeper, but it will just help with airflow if you're planning on upping the boost and stuff. You need to get rid of them gases, so probably increase a few horsepower just from the airflow. Now we need to swap over that bung, put it on there. This could be fun. Right, wait a sec, give it a little rev for the camera quick. Take it out of gear, don't kill me. Yeah. That popped me! Didn't know about the pops and bags, right? Anyway, yeah, we took the O2 bung out, put it in the new one. We had to get it out of this, so we haven't got the right socket with us at the moment, but we got it sorted. We got it sorted.
Yes, on the way, man.
It's pitch black and it's like 8 o'clock.
Yeah. It's ideal, but
no, this is England, but it's fine. It doesn't matter. That was the easy part.
Right, just stay out here. We need your light, mate.
Yeah, just keep the car running.
Keep the car running, mate.
You have to spend like 7 grand on a Sora to just light us up working. Yeah. Right, the new 3-inch Malian pipe is all bolted up. Fits perfect. Got the O2 bung there. It's got the bracket to fit these in. That fit perfect. Just need to connect the cap back up now. But yeah, perfect fitment so far. Decent. The awesome thing as well with Malian, they provide new gasket and fresh hardware, so the old bolts that come off are all crusty, so that's definitely a nice thing to have. Right, it is all in now. Look at that, beautiful.
It's all in.
It's way nicer, yeah, it's all in. All the bushing mounted. Perfect, turbo's tightened, just fitting the cover. Have you fit that cover yet? No. Right, first start up. Hopefully there's no leaks or anything. I don't think so. It all seemed to go together nicely. Hey, that's set up. No leaks. Lovely. Sounds throaty, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's a lot deeper. You definitely hear the turbo spinning.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it?
When you drive that, it's gonna sound like the turbo.
You can hear it.
Yeah. It sounds like you're running like 450 brakes.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it?
It sounds like you're running way more power.
Yeah. Right, so we actually ran out of light, so what I'll do, I'll continue this video tomorrow once I'll do some clips of drive-bys and the sound and stuff. But yeah, see you tomorrow once it's light. Right, so it's the next day now, or a week later. But it's actually light now, so we just finished the video basically. We'll do a couple rev clips. I mean, sound-wise, he's been driving it for a week now. It sounds very similar, it's just you can hear the turbo more, can't you, basically?
Yeah, turbo spools up quicker, you can hear it a lot more from inside the cabin, so yeah, it's definitely good.
It allows much better flow for the exhaust, so it's way nicer.
Just the turbo spools quicker, so yeah, it just boosts quicker as you go, so yeah, all's good, very happy. Yeah.
Very happy. And now I'll get you some rev clips, might as well. Turbo. Blah 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 blah. Jeez. Sounds sick. Sounds so sick, doesn't it?
Yeah.
The full Malian exhaust, Malian. correct that. Malian. We got it wrong in the previous video. Sorry about that. But yeah, the full, now it's a full 3-inch Malian exhaust all the way from front to back. So it sounds ace. Fitment was perfect. Lovely, mate. Lovely.
Perfect, mate. Perfect.
Right, so that's a wrap on Matt's ST. I'll leave a link down below to the catback exhaust and to the downpipe, so make sure you check that out, because Malian do awesome quality products and for amazing price. Like, I don't understand why all these other brands are so expensive, because the Malian ones are amazing and so good priced. So yeah, make sure you check them out. I'll put their Instagram up here as well. Go give them a follow. But yeah, massive shout out to Malian for sending the pipes, and I will see you in the next one. Make sure you subscribe. Goodbye.